Imagine this, two clinics, same city, similar experience, qualified doctor, modern equipments, yet one clinic gets twice as much patients than the other one. Why? Is one doctor better than the other? Not necessarily. The difference often lies how patient makes decisions. Today, patients don't simply search a doctor. They investigate, they compare, they build trust, and only then they book an appointment. If you're a doctor, a hospital owner, or an administrator for the hospital, and if you're wondering why some practices are having good amount of patients while others struggle with inconsistent appointment, this video is for you. Hi, I'm Altaf Sheikh, founder and CEO of ACE 360 Degree, and we help build healthcare practices a complete patient growth ecosystem that generate more qualified inquiries, increase appointment booking, and improve patient experience. In today's video, we will walk you through exactly how patients choose doctor in 2026 and what your clinic should do to become the patient's preferred choice. Let's understand patient's journey. Nobody wakes up wanting to visit a doctor. The first instinct is not to call a clinic. They first search the information. Patient starts with a concern: a toothache, a back pain, hair loss, skin irritation, knee pain, or just a routine health checkup. Usually on Google or AI, and sometimes YouTube. Sometimes also through WhatsApp or social connections. The patient journey begins with curiosity, not with an appointment. Once patients identify their problem, they start looking for solutions. They search for best dentist near me, hair transplant clinic in Mumbai, skin specialist for acne, best physiotherapist. Google then presents dozens of options. At this stage, patient doesn't know which doctor is the best. They only know which clinic they can discover. Visibility creates opportunity. If your clinic is not visible online, then you are not there in patients' consideration list. Patients immediately starts researching. They ask questions like, who is the doctor? How experienced are they? What do previous patients say? What treatments are available? Is the clinic professional? Can I trust them? Research builds confidence. A professional website, authentic Google review, helpful educational content, clear treatment information. All these elements reduces uncertainty. One of the biggest misconceptions that doctors have is patient compares only the best doctor. They don't. They compare experience. One clinic responds quickly on the WhatsApp. Another take 2 days. One clinic website clearly lists the treatment, explains the treatment. Another just lists the services. One clinic has hundreds of positive reviews. Another just few. Patients are comparing convenience, confidence, communication, accessibility. The clinic that creates the best overall experience to the patient earns the appointment. Trust creates the appointment. Patient rarely books an appointment with just one advertisement. They book because multiple trust signals are aligned. Google reviews, doctor's profile, website, educational video, clear communication, easy appointment booking system. Every interaction builds confidence. By the time patient contacts the clinic, the decision is already 80% made. At ACE 360 Degree, we call this patient decision framework. Every patient moves through these stages: problem, discovery, research, comparison, trust, appointment, treatment, review, and referral. The clinics growing consistently understand every step of the patients. Healthcare always begins on trust. Technology hasn't changed that. It has only changed where it begins. The practices that understand patients' behavior will continue attracting more appointments. If you're wondering how your patients are experiencing your clinic, we can help you. Book a free patient acquisition audit. We will evaluate everything about your clinic: Google visibility, AI visibility, website experience, Google reviews, SEO performance, patient journey, appointment booking process, and competitors comparison. We will show you exactly where potential patients are dropping off and what can you do to improve it. If you want to improve your patient's journey and convert them into appointments, do DM patients today and book a free audit. If you want to view more such insightful videos on healthcare patient acquisition system, do subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon. Until then, keep dreaming, designing, developing, and delivering.